What is up, guys? We are here at a new spot. I'm just trying to catch some bass real quick. I'm gonna be making my way to a couple different spots today, so thought I'd start out here. I've never caught anything here, but I know there's stuff in here. I just saw a few fish, so I'm gonna get started. Just feed that guy on there. There we go. Ned rig. Boom. I'm gonna keep moving down this creek and see what I can find. There's a bass right there. Can't even see it. He's got it. Oh, popped off. He had it there for a second though. That was wild. All right, so he's kind of locked onto it. See if we can't get him to eat. I mean, he already ate once, and I failed miserably at getting him in. So he's looking at it. He's got it. Got him. All right. Oh, he's headed back for the water. Chill out, dude. All right, so there's one. Look at that. He swallowed that whole rig. All right, I see what happened. Maybe I can get this out. There we go. Got it. There you go, buddy. Minimal damage. Minimal damage. All right, so first one, just a little guy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around this, get to the shallower part of the creek. Look at the clarity of this water. It's crystal clear. There's a bass right there. He is racing. I don't even know where he's going. He's riding along the edge there. Got him. God. There we go. All right, let's let this guy go. Bass number 2. See you later, buddy. He was feisty. Let's see if there aren't more fish back behind this ledge. All right. So what I'll do is I'm gonna take my shoes off and I'm just gonna go down the creek like a complete savage. Take off the backpack. Take off the shoes. This water's pretty chilly, I'll tell you that much. Oh, that's a fucking snake. Holy shit, I'm out of here. I am out. Whew. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. That was a water moccasin. So I think I know what I need. need to get my boots on. All right, so we are over at the far less terrifying pond portion of the little creek system. Ooh. All right, so one had it. He dropped it. Got him. Oh, he came off. That sucks. Definitely found some though. They're hanging out right here. It's just a little guy. Right next to the eye. Definitely don't want to be hurting his eye. All right, so there's the tiniest bass of the day. Oh. Oh, he came off. It's like the third one that's come off already. Right there. Let's see if we can't get him to grab it. Alright, there's another one. I don't want to get too close because there's fish right here too. Sorry, buddy. Fish number 4. Alright, so I saw a couple fish swimming around right here. Let's see if I can't grab those guys. Oh, there we go. There's a fish. Oh, he came off. He came off. What is it? It's a bass. It's a little bass. Oh boy. Open up, buddy. Open sesame. There we go. See you later, buddy. Got one. All right, there's another little guy. Oh, I see some fish right in front of me. Ow! He got away. He got away. Damn. That's all right. All right, guys, so I know I just said I'll check back in if I found more fish. So I found one. He was hanging out in the exact same spot as before. I'm trying to tire him out. He seems to really be trying to get away. All right, let's flip him. All right. There is one more. right through the nose. Yeah, he hit it like a freight train. I saw him, casted right out at him. He took maybe half a second to look at it and then was like, yep, that's mine. Anyways, let's get another release on the guy, or a release on him. There he goes. And then I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go to a new spot. So I'll see you guys at the next spot. No, not yet. You get any bites yet? No? Okay. That makes me feel a little better. What is up, people? I'm back at the house. I left spot 2 pretty quickly. There weren't too many fish biting, and the one that was, I let slip. So I'm gonna go back to that spot though as soon as I can, and hopefully try and, you know, redeem myself. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will be back in a couple days. Peace.